Hallo Leute, welcome to our channel Learn German with Rao. In last lesson, we learned about some greetings in German, and in today's lesson, we will learn about some common sentences in German. So let's start the video without wasting any time. If you want to ask anybody that what is your name, you will say Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie in a formal way and wie heißt du? Wie heißt du and in an informal way. We will later talk about formal and informal ways. If you want to tell your name to anybody in German, so you will say Ich heiße. Ich heiße and then your name. Ich heiße means I am called. Or you can say mein Name ist. Mein Name ist and then your name. Mein Name ist means my name is. Both are very common, so you can say it a first one Ich heiße or second one mein Name ist. If you want to ask anybody that how are you in German, so you will say Wie geht's? Wie geht's? How are you? Wie geht's? And if you want to give answer of this question, how are you? There are many answers. Some of these are Mir geht is gut. Mir geht is gut. I am fine. And the second one is Gut danke und Ihnen? Gut danke und Ihnen. Good thanks and you. If you want to ask somebody that does he or she speak English, so you will say in German, Sprechen Sie English? Do you speak English? Sprechen Sie English? Their answers may be Ich spreche English, I speak English, ich spreche English, or Ich spreche nicht English, I don't speak English, ich spreche nicht English. If you want to say that I don't understand in German, you will say Ich verstehe nicht. I don't understand. Ich verstehe nicht. Pay attention here that the English V in German sounds like fur. So Ich verstehe nicht. I don't understand. If you want to ask someone that where are they from, so you will say Woher kommen Sie? Woher kommen Sie? Where are you from? In a formal way, Woher kommen Sie? And in an informal way, you will say Woher kommst du? Where are you from? Woher kommst du? So here woher means where. Woher kommen Sie in a formal way and woher kommst du in an informal way. If you want to tell anybody that I am from, so you will say Ich komme aus. I am from. Ich komme aus. Ich means I, komme means am come, and aus means from. So Ich komme aus, I am come from. If you want to say yes in German, you will say ja. Yes, yeah. Be careful that in German, if it is J, English J, it is J, pronounced like yeah. And if you want to say no, you will say nine, similar as English letter 9. Now listen to conversation.
Conversation. John Brown has just arrived in Germany and is meeting Herr Schumacher for the first time.
Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Wie heißen Sie? Ich verstehe nicht. Mein Name ist Schumacher. Udo Schumacher. Wie heißen Sie?
Ich heiße John Brown.
Angenehm. Wie geht's?
Gut, danke. Und Ihnen?
Gut, danke. Trinken Sie einen Kaffee?
Ich verstehe nicht. Sprechen Sie Englisch?
Nein, leider nicht. Kaffee, Coffee?
Ja, bitte.
Zucker? Sugar?
Nein, danke.
Ja, also bis morgen. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.
If you are confusing in formal and informal way, so not be confused. I will make another video in which I will tell you about formal and informal way. So I am ending this video here. I hope you will find this video informative. So please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Auf Wiedersehen.